Hey Hooper, it's Deanne Love here. Welcome to your Strong Shoulders Hoop Movement session. For this session, you are going to need the space of a yoga mat and also a hoop that you enjoy spinning and moving off body. All of the moves in this session are going to be off body because we are looking at upper body alignment, strengthening our shoulders, bringing flow and fluidity so that you can feel strong and feel alive in your hooping, in your movement, in your daily activities. If you are a beginner hooper and you are not familiar with some of the moves in this session, you can always check out the 28-day Hoopers Starter Pack over on learn.hooplovers.tv, and I'll also leave you some links below for other tutorials. But if there are any moves in this session that you don't know, you can freestyle, you can make them up, you can have a go. There are 12 cycles. Each cycle is 40 seconds, so we're going to be doing the move for 40 seconds, but please go at your own pace and just feel into what is right for you. In between each cycle, there is a rest session. You can either be doing hoop shoulder push-ups or push-outs, or you can simply rest for that 10 seconds. Grab your hoop and let's get started.
stumble and fall. We stumble and fall. We stumble and fall. We stumble and fall.
Yes, we did it. Strong shoulders bringing alignment and strength to your upper body and also to your hoop moves, play, and expression. If there were any moves that you were unfamiliar with, I hope that you had some fun freestyling, and check out all the links down below to learn more cool hoop tricks, transitions, and technique. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because there are a whole bunch of other tutorials to help you learn hoop tricks as well as do some more of these fun hoop movement sessions to bring freedom and fluidity to your hoop playtime. Big hoop love from me to you. Mwah.